Ever wondered how people can manage to make a character that will make you some for them? Like Gojo, Eren, Mikasa, Toji, or Shrek. They were all somebody's original character. Therefore, today I also want to make a unique original character. When we say original character, it means a personality, an outfit, and everything that is inside and outside should be designed by the creator. So how do I make a character that will not blend in with everybody else? The first idea you have from your character is their personality, and you can draw and give them the outfit based on their personality. So open your note tab and write down things that would highlight your character's personality. These are the information that would only be necessary if you are making a manga or writing a story. But if you just want to draw your OC, only write down these information. For example, high sense of fashion, eats a lot, is dumb and sassy, and he is a masochist. Yes, because always add the negative and the positive stuff. Now, personality is not the only thing that will define your OC. The most important part is how your OC looks. You gotta make sure your OC is attractive enough in your point of view. Because if you don't find your OC attractive, nobody else will too. Unless your type is just too unique. Alright, let's get to cooking, babies. First, draw a full body illustration about your OC. And remember, the pose you pick says a lot about your character. I'd recommend a completely simple but interesting pose, so you can draw the clothes easily too. Since I don't know the anatomy, I'll just straight up draw the outfit. Also, the first full body sketch I made for this drawing was this one. But hey, you deserve something better than this cardboard shit. Now I'll start adding the base colors. First his skin, a dark shade of blue for his shirt, his jacket is gonna be black leather jacket, and a dark shade of purple for his pants. Also a green mint color for his hair. Now this OC's name is Helix. Don't ask me how I came up with this name. I just read it somewhere. I don't even know what does it mean. Now Helix used to work in circus. That's where his sense of fashion came from. Also, when you're drawing a full body drawing of your OC, don't pay attention to all the details. For example, how you render the skin or any other parts. Because the most important thing when you're drawing a full body drawing of your OC is the pose and the outfit. Nobody zooms into your drawing and looks how much effort you paid on rendering the drawing, okay? They just want to see if you're a 12-year-old or not. I decided to first draw the full body because I will have a good idea on what the outfit is and what facial expression I should draw for him while drawing him up close. So this is a full body drawing of our OC. Now let's draw him up close to give further information and details for the viewer. I sketched this pose for him to make him look sassy, and it's more detailed. Just like we did, first we go with the skin color. The little blue thing on his head is gonna be a stitch doll. Now let's color the shirt, and finally time to add our details. Once again, this is the brush I use, and this is the colors I use for this shade of skin. I tried to draw him a little button nose to make him look cute. That's probably gonna be my one and only weakness. And his eyes are gonna be green. Now I'll render the hair real quick. Also gotta color his shirt. I don't know if you call these tops shirt or not, but yeah, whatever this is. I'm gonna color this at the arms, and then we're gonna go and color the stitch doll. And I'll add some final touches. That is the piercing, for example, because bro, that is not my drawing if they don't have at least 2 piercings. Now after adding the background, this is the OC. Do you think he's attractive? So we drew his full body and him up close, but this is not enough. We need to make more references in order to give more information about our OC. And if you're a beginner just like me, only 3 references gonna be enough. I drew him with that stitch doll once again because showing a little soft spot in your OC can make your OC look interesting. By the way, the most unrealistic your OC is, the most interesting it is. But if you're a beginner just like me, just try to avoid common stuff. For example, a drop-dead gorgeous guy with blue eyes and yellow hair, or a cute girl with bangs and long hair and pink eyes. Also, why is it so hard to color the letter? I'm literally getting constipation. But at least I would have enough experience to draw letter better next time. Let's see the bright side. With that being said, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Bro, I finally have enough reasons to tell my mom, I'm making a YouTube video. Now I'll add the final details. And I'll add these lines around them because I don't know why I do that. It just makes the drawing look good. And I'll also fix the lighting, and that's our half body drawing. Does it look good? So that's our OC Helix from up close, full body, and half body. If you're watching it till now, I have a little challenge for you. If you didn't know anything about this OC's personality, what would you assume about him? Comment it down below. This was it for this week's video. Thank you so much for tapping on my thumbnail because you found it interesting. And do hit that subscribe button and bell icon so I will leave the kidney under your bed and you can get it whenever you want. That's it, baby. Stay cute just like this. Also, tab on this video because if you don't tab on the video, the bomb's gonna explode. So hurry up. Bye. Have a nice week.